Hi, friends! Are you ready for a division quiz? For each question, you will have 5 seconds to think. Then I will say the answer. Get ready. Let's begin. What is 6 divided by 2? The answer is 3. What is 8 divided by 2? The answer is 4. What is 9 divided by 3? The answer is 3. What is 10 divided by 5? The answer is 2. What is 12 divided by 4? The answer is 3. What is 15 divided by 3? The answer is 5. What is 16 divided by 4? The answer is 4. What is 18 divided by 6? The answer is 3. If you thought this video was helpful, please leave a like. For more videos like this, please subscribe.